media, electronic media. We have just finished viewing the budget 14-15 presented by the Finance Minister, Shri Arun Jaitley. At the outset, we at Federation, we find it's quite a balanced budget. We feel that in the circumstances given in last several years, the low GDP growth and deficits, high deficits in revenue, nearing about 5%. The GDP, deficit in GDP, CAD is very high, 5%. Probably the Honorable Minister has done a good job in terms of making this budget quite prudent and a very prudent allocation in various sectors of economy. There are, on overall, I feel there is a very good measures taken and targeted in reduction of deficit, starting from 4.1 to 3% within a period of 3 years. It might be a very daunting task, but having targeted that, we feel that this can be achieved. Second point is the fundraising has become easier. The interest rates in due course might come down. Fundraising is easier through for the domestic people also through REIT and Infra IT. In the growth path, FDI in defense, FDI is infrastructure and real estate, and FDI in insurance is increased, and the limit has been set from increase from 26 to 49%, which is a very, very big move, and that will attract a lot of FDI into our country. Also, there is a clear emphasis on skill development, allocation for skill development and employability, making our youth employable. That will also go a long way. The Finance Minister has very clearly said that there will not be any retrospective taxation or any such schemes which will be deterring the investors in investing, and he has given them a very kind of a indication that ease of doing business in our country will be quite high. Also, on the front of taxation, some incentives have been given which are very, very welcome, to the extent of 50,000 on the limit of tax, and another 50,000 in terms of savings under ATC, and on certain investment in bonds, etc. have been exempted. So that's also a very, very positive point. Also, he has clearly indicated that wasteful expenditure will be reduced, and they are going to set up a high-level committee to control unproductive expenses. Generally for the manufacturing sector and MSME, our Senior Vice President will go into a little details, but we see a lot of schemes, and the interest rate Finance Minister has not spoken about. We were asking for some concession on interest rates, but they have created the infrastructure for development of MSME also. So overall, we find, except there is a negative of dividend tax, and the taxation on the dividend will increase, and the GST, the Finance Minister has just said that they are working on that and the debate should end, but a fixed timeline was not announced, and we do hope that GST comes into being very shortly, within a period of 1 to 2 years maximum. That's in a nutshell, and now I request our Senior Vice President to speak. Thank you.